In every, alam natin, in every action, there is a corresponding reaction. Diba? Yung kanya lang naman ay reaction sa situation where she is in right now. Nagre-react lang siya.
Paliwanag ni Senator Bato, kung talagang nais ni Escudero na maayos ang lahat, dapat pagsabihan nito ang mga taong pasimuno ng panggigipit sa ikalawang Pangulo.
If you want to settle everything, you hit the action first. Huwag niyong i-hit yung reaction. You address the action first before addressing the reaction. So saan nanggagaling yung action? Galing from Malacanang, galing from the House of Representatives. I-addressin niyo yan. If you can address that, no need to address the reaction because there will be no more reaction kung walang panggigipit na ginagawa. Di ba? So i-addressin niyo yung panggigipit. If I am the Senate President,